Yeah, so uh, this house we did almost 2 years ago now, and the client has basically been getting himself ready to do the garden aspect. So, and as you can see, he really, really is putting a massive amount of detail into the job. So, in this little pond bit, we're going to have 3 fountains with which light up. We're going to have bollard lights all around the decking. So it'll be 3 bollard lights each side. In the pergola, there's going to be 2 sets of heaters in there. There's going to be lights all around the garden. So there'll be spike lights and there'll be like different lights to help light up certain aspects of the garden. Like we won't go mental and light up every single tree, so that's stupid. But we will try and make focal points. We'll have light up fountains in here. We've got the waterfall at the back. We come around to a lovely barbecue area over here, which is all going to have power and heating in here as well. And then there's the shed. So I've never actually worked on a shed like this before, so this will be quite interesting. It's kind of like all the struts, so just like positive beams on the house, which make it nice and easy to wire through. Because the client doesn't want to have the consumer unit inside, we're mounting it on the back of the house in a large IP rated box, basically, to secure it all in. And as you can see, there's Toby nice and busy wiring the socket circuit in. Now, the only thing is, because this is all metal, we will have to bond down on the structure because we've got to make sure that that's the same potential reserve, because we don't want that livening up under full conditions. This is all going to be done with Lutron Ra2 lighting, so it's going to be smart controlled lights. And yeah, be nice to see the second fixed point of this. So